So this is the machine we will receive, and here is the rotate, and here like this, backset connection. This one is the continual rotate. So if we change this, we will take off this, and this one is the normal rotate, and we can put back this one. So it depends on which one you will use. This is 300-degree rotate, so we will put this one. Okay, and here like this, do the connection. Okay, the cable, this one to computer, to any of your computer. Okay, to any of your computer, from here to your computer. And this one is for the normal rotate, main power, and then we switch on, and here is the power, switch on. Okay, and here is the emergency button loose, and we turn on the laser. Okay, and we will remove the cover. Yeah, okay, remove cover. Okay, and here is the red light. So when we open it, it will be like this. If we turn off this, there is no red light. Okay, we will start the red light, and you can put it in the center. Okay, in the center, and two dots together will be the focus. Okay, so the two dots together. So we have the two red dots here, two red dots here, and make the focus. And also you can find focus from here. This one is 190. Is from here to here. Okay, from here to here is 190 millimeter. So you can use the ruler to measure it. Yeah, 190. Huh? Okay. Okay. Next step, we will find the software and double click. Software is open. Okay. Okay. So we will draw like a rectangle. So you can change the size here. Okay. So now I draw rectangle is like 2 millimeter size and 40 millimeter length. Okay, and then we can put something, a paper, on your object. Okay, so we will so we will start this one button. This button will be pressed down. Okay, okay, and then we will mark. We will use the parameter. Okay, on speed. Okay, and now it's wrong. Okay, so because we mark 40 millimeter, it is only marked like this small. So now we need to change. Okay, now we will change. Change the gavel wide, the size. Now we will change the smaller one, and then we will try to mark. So it's not okay, huh? So we will change again. So now we will change this one smaller, this scale to 18, okay? And here the speed we will use 100, okay? And advanced we use like this, okay? And then we will try. Okay, so now we take off the paper and we will measure it. To see if it is 40 millimeter. So this one is 42 millimeter, so we will make it smaller. Okay, so parameter. Okay, scale. And the goal size. So our goal size is 40 millimeter. So here is the 40. So we here 40. Okay. So our real mark size is 42. Okay. So our real mark size is 42. Okay. And now we will draw like a straight line. So you need to put it very straight, okay? Use the mouse. Okay, finish. And then we will choose the line and then make the size 40. Okay, and you can put it in the center. Okay, something like this. And we here select mark selected. So here is the line. Okay, so we will try to mark the line. Okay, so this is the line. So we can take off the paper. And we can measure it. So this is more easy for us to measure. Okay, so now it's 41, huh? How much? 36. So our goal size is 40, but the real mark size is 36. Okay, so we will okay and confirm. Okay, and we will mark again to measure the size. Okay, so we take off to measure it. And now it's 40 millimeter. And now we can mark anything we want. Okay. So here is our drawing is like this. Okay. And then we will change the speed. Now we can use speed 2000 millimeter. Okay, and here is the advanced parameter, and we will use the jump speed like this. Okay, and here is the hatch. Okay, so here is do not select this and this. Okay, just like this, and then we will mark. Okay. And here, if we make the hatch 0.4, like make it 0.5, then the speed will be faster. Okay, 6. Okay, 6. So now it's faster. Okay, so we change the size bigger. Okay, and it is longer like this. Okay, so we will mark. Okay. So here, because before we already mapped, so it looks like this.